Hello, my name is Charlotte Stilwell. I'm a prosthodontist from London and I am the President-elect of the ITI. My lecture topic will be always fixed, or should we look at implant in connection with removable dentures? For partial dentures, there's increasing recognition of the strategic value of using implants as a simple and economic and also a very effective and yet minimally invasive use of the treatment modality to improve partial dentures, both in terms of rescuing designs that patients have, also improving them and planning ahead for the future. And then use of implants in connection with complete dentures, where we can both improve the functional shortcomings of the dentures themselves, but at the same time maintain the functional advantages that they also offer prosthodontically. I look forward to meeting you and to tell you more about this topic.